Welcome to SuiteTrails. Join us as we explore 7 unique tours and activities in Lisbon's hills, allowing you to connect with the vibrant heart of Portugal like never before. Remember that you have the links to all the activities in the description. Number 1. Discover Sintra's beautiful landscape and architecture. Walk the narrow streets of Sintra in your free time and visit the emblematic Quinta da Regaleira with our fantastic tour guide. Its patrimonial importance has led UNESCO to declare it a World Heritage Site, so it is undoubtedly a must-site to visit due to their countless sculptures, gardens and fountains that you will discover there. You will also learn all the details of the famous initiation well, hidden in the northern part of the Quinta. It is a 9-story spiral well that symbolizes the 9 circles of hell or paradise. In total, 27 meters that will make your hair stand on end. Take some free time to stroll through Sintra and purchase lunch if you're feeling hungry. Get recommendations on what to see, eat and buy in the area. Afterward, begin a guided tour of the main landmarks of Sintra, and hear about local secrets and stories. Arrive at the romantic Peña Palace in Sintra, which has a profusion of styles much in accordance with the exotic taste of Romanticism, such as Neo-Gothic, along with other Oriental styles such as Neo-Moorish and Indo-Gothic. Explore the ancient castle, which was one of the favorite residences of the royal family throughout the 19th century. Walk through the fairy tale style building and learn about its fascinating history. It is also listed among one of the 7 wonders of Portugal. Visit the picturesque fishing village of Cascais, linked to the Portuguese royals who summered here. A walk around the promenade will allow you to relax and enjoy the beautiful beaches, mansions, museums, and photogenic streets. Number 2. Discover a unique and electrifying experience with our boat party. Embark on a fascinating journey at sunset along the Tagus River, exploring the charms of Lisbon. Our boat party is the perfect combination of fun, breathtaking views, and captivating music. Our open bar provides you with unlimited access to our selection of beverages. Feel the freedom to savor your favorite drinks while immersing yourself in the festive atmosphere, accompanied by hand-picked rhythms from our talented DJ. During the cruise, you'll have the opportunity to admire some of the city's most iconic landmarks, including Commerce Square, the 25th of April Bridge, Christ the King, and the Tower of Belém. Each moment is a chance to create unforgettable memories. Come be part of this unique celebration on the boat party, where every moment is a party and every glimpse is a spectacle. Get ready for an experience that goes beyond the ordinary and creates memories that will last forever. Number 3. Benefit from a guided tour to Peña Palace, Sintra Historical Center, Cabo da Roca and Cascais. Embark on an immersive journey that will uncover the romantic enchantment of the Peña Palace and Sintra, the rugged beauty of Cabo da Roca and the charming seaside of Cascais. Meet your guide and driver at the Tugatrips meeting point, Parque Eduardo 7 viewpoint, where a comfortable, air-conditioned vehicle awaits to transport you to your first destination. Depart from Lisbon while the first rays of dawn break over the city. Find the colorful Peña Palace hidden behind the tallest trees of Sintra. This unique masterpiece seems to make all the fairy tales come true. Allow yourself to wander around the palace's yards and gardens and take the chance to explore its lavish chambers. Next, head over to the center of Sintra and get 1.5 hours of free time to wander on your own. Take recommendations of the city's must-see locations as well as the best restaurant options for delicious traditional Portuguese dining from your guide. Find Sintra's local flavors where time slows, and every corner reveals a slice of the town's magnificent gastronomy. Immerse yourself in the town's romanticism as you explore its cobblestone and picturesque squares. You shall also have time to taste Sintra's typical pastry, such as the travesseiro and the queijada, amongst others. Continue to Cabo da Roca, the westernmost point of continental Europe, and amaze yourself with the impressive views of the ocean crashing against the high rocky cliffs. Enjoy the harmony between the sound of the waves and the fresh breeze, where earth ends and the sea begins. Allow yourself to be embraced by the Portuguese Riviera, while enjoying a short walking tour around the charming Cascais. Unveil this town's unique gems, feel marveled with its amazing beaches and absorb the Cascalen's vibrant energy. After a short walk, take the chance to know your own adventurous self while discovering a little more of this place that was once called home by a humble fisherman community, but also the Portuguese royal family, with some free time. In a world where each corner holds a different facet of wonder, this journey becomes a chapter in your exploration around Portugal. Finish this wonderful experience with amazing experiences etched in your mind and a camera roll filled with lifelong memories. Relax back on board your air-conditioned vehicle and admire more breathtaking views of the Portuguese coast in Estoril as you make your way back to Lisbon. Number 4. Learn about the delicious Portuguese gastronomy and culture the proper way. Get in the cooking mood with some drinks and finger food while you learn about each dish, from spices to culinary approach. Cook yourself a traditional 3-course meal with the instruction of friendly and helpful chefs. Arrive to a cozy and inviting kitchen and start the night off right with appetizers and Portuguese wines and beer. Enrich your knowledge of cultural cooking, learning about each of the seasonal dishes and traditional techniques. Apply your new knowledge of Portuguese gastronomy by cooking each dish in a fun, step-by-step, and traditional Portuguese environment. Feel assured and welcomed by empathetic instructors, no matter your experience level. Number 5. Learn about the delicious Portuguese gastronomy and culture the proper way. Get in the cooking mood with some drinks and finger food while you learn about each dish, from spices to culinary approach. Cook yourself a traditional 3-course meal with the instruction of friendly and helpful chefs. Arrive to a cozy and inviting kitchen and start the night off right with appetizers and Portuguese wines and beer. Enrich your knowledge of cultural cooking, learning about each of the seasonal dishes and traditional techniques. Apply your new knowledge of Portuguese gastronomy by cooking each dish in a fun, step-by-step, and traditional Portuguese environment. Feel assured and welcomed by empathetic instructors, no matter your experience level. Number 6. Experience the culinary delights of Lisbon's historic Baixa neighborhood on our Lisbon food tour. Unlike any other, this tour immerses you in a social and gastronomic adventure guided by a local expert. We'll explore the rich food culture of Baixa. Indulge in a symphony of flavors from both traditional and contemporary Portuguese cuisine, paired perfectly with 4 local alcoholic beverages. Alongside these delectable tastings, you'll discover the culinary history of Portugal and explore Baixa's highlights. Our journey takes us to cherished Portuguese restaurants, where you'll enjoy 9 mouth-watering food tastings, vegetarian options available, and the chance to savor 3 out of the 7 wonders of Portuguese cuisine. This is more than just a food tour. It's a social experience, a chance to mingle with travelers from across the globe while savoring the best of Lisbon's culinary traditions. Join us for an evening of unforgettable memories and the true essence of Portuguese cuisine in Baixa. Number 7. Experience the soul of Lisbon. Live Fado show with local artists step into the heart of Lisbon for an unforgettable evening of Fado, the soulful music that embodies Portugal's rich cultural heritage. Our intimate live Fado show offers a unique opportunity to immerse yourself in the genuine spirit of this tradition. The performance, in a cozy, atmospheric setting, local artists will serenade you with Fado melodies that convey the joys and sorrows of Portugal's history and people. Accompanied by the hauntingly beautiful sounds of Portuguese and classic guitars, our talented singers will transport you to the world of Fado, where every note carries a piece of the nation's soul. Insightful introductions. To deepen your appreciation for Fado and its cultural significance, we've thoughtfully incorporated short introduction videos in English with Portuguese subtitles in between live performances. These videos provide a window into the heart of Fado, Lisbon's allure, the history of this enchanting city, the distinctive Portuguese guitar, the stories of the artists, and the various types of fadas. Join us. Don't miss this opportunity to connect with Lisbon's rich traditions and history through the power of Fado. Our live show promises an evening of enchanting music, genuine emotions, and a newfound appreciation for the cultural tapestry of Portugal. Get your tickets and join us for an unforgettable experience. In the heart of downtown Lisbon, discover the spirit of Portugal through the unique voices of fantastic Fado singers. Enjoy an intimate Fado show without the use of microphones with a small audience. Listen as 2 fadistas, singers, 1 classic guitarist, and a Portuguese guitarist perform a selection of treasured songs. As you enjoy the performance, sip on a glass of port wine, complimentary with your entry ticket. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.